Welcome back to the Michigan Business Beat on Michigan Business Network. Jeff Mosher sitting in for Chris Holman on the road, Michigan Central in Detroit. That's the old railroad station that's now become a lot of great business opportunities in Detroit. We're here for CAR MBS 60, the Center for Automotive Research's Management Briefing Seminar's 60th anniversary set of conference celebrations and meetings. And we are here in Detroit, not in Traverse City like many other years. This time around, reaching out to Robert with MMTC, and he is their Manufacturing Services Manager. Robert, welcome to the Michigan Business Beat.
Hey, thanks. Great to be here.
So could you share a little bit about your role with MMTC and then go on to describe MMTC and how it serves Michigan?
So I'm our Manufacturing Services Manager. I oversee all of our training and consulting services. MMTC is a statewide organization. We're a nonprofit training and consulting organization whose mission is to help the small to mid-sized manufacturers in our state. And we do this through a variety of ways. It could be typical process or quality improvements, helping you comply with different industry standards, and even technology implementation. And that's where I come in. My background as an automation engineer for 10 years, mainly working with large OEMs, automotive companies, and then now trying to help small companies implement these technologies. So.
Perfect, and we've dealt with Tanya in Saginaw, but I'm sure that the footprint goes beyond Saginaw, serving statewide.
Yeah, we have 4 regional offices. One is out of SVSU in the Saginaw Valley area. Also have an office in Traverse City, and we have boots on the ground in the UP. So we pride ourselves in being 2 hours from any manufacturer in the state.
Perfect. As we're on hand for CAR MBS 60, what are you hoping to take away from the event, and are you on hand for a panel or anything else?
Oh yeah, great. I'm really just trying to see the industry trends. You know, typically from a technology standpoint, a lot of these technologies have been around, and the bigger companies are the ones implementing them first, and I'm trying to understand how that can trickle down and play a role in the small to mid-sized manufacturers in our state, and how we can really accelerate the adoption of AI by our clients. I'll also be here participating in the Automation Alley Roundtable here at 1 o'clock. So.
Excellent, tremendous. So, as we go to wrap up, Robert, could you, share anything else that you'd love the Michigan business community to know about? The floor is yours.
Yeah, I mean, we have my team, we have a great wealth of experts. We're unfortunately sometimes known as the best kept secret in the state. So, you know, if anyone has any type of manufacturing process issues, technology questions, you're hearing all this buzz about AI, you don't know where to get started, reach out to Michigan Manufacturing Technology Center. We have representatives in every county in the state, and we can get you the resources you need. And hey, it could just be to bounce them off us, see what's possible, or we can help you go as far as, you know, implementing a full-on advanced manufacturing program. So really, we're here to help any company within their journey and mature as a business, and whatever you might need, we can help you and find the resources to get you there. So
tremendous. Well, Robert, thank you so much for spending some time with the Michigan Business Beat today.
Great. Thanks for having me.
Once again, Robert's been here on hand for MMTC, and we're on hand for CAR MBS 60, the Center for Automotive Research's Management Briefing Seminars at Michigan Central. We'll be back with more